using lenses. First of all, let's talk about the convex lens. Convex lenses are able to form real and virtual images. Let's start with real images. When does a convex lens form a real image? With the object at different distances beyond the principal focus of the lens, a real image is formed because if you place a screen, a clear image of the object will be seen on the screen, thus it is a real image. The main thing is that, in general, the position and nature of the image formed by a lens depends on, first, the focal length, f of the lens, second, the distance from the object to the lens. So, in a convex lens, and by forming a real image, when the object is a long distance away from the principal focus, the image is formed at the principal focus of the lens. Why is that? It's because the rays from any point on the object that is very far from the principal focus, and thus it's very far from the lens, they will seem that they are almost parallel to each other when they reach the lens. So, they will turn into the case of when parallel rays hit a convex lens, they will converge and meet at the principal focus. While if the object is moved nearer to the lens towards the principal focus but still beyond it, then the screen that the real image will be formed at it must be moved further from the lens so as for us to see a clearer image. So, the image will be formed away from the principal focus, and as the nearer the object to the lens, the larger the image.